Logseq versus Obsidian. In this video, we'll compare those two together and we will see which one is better. So Logseq is actually best for outlining, task management, and journal-centric note-taking. It's excellent for creating structured notes, allows linking specific blocks of text, facilitates dynamic way to see project progression over time, and open source and privacy focus as well. You can proceed to download it by clicking on this download option in order to get a demo of it as well and see how it works. It's best for students, academics, writers, project managers, developers, and the likes. Now for Obsidian. So you can go to them by going to obsidian.md and clicking on this right here in order to get them. So Obsidian is best for knowledge graphs, highly customizable setups, and complex interconnected node system. They have a powerful graph view with vast plugin ecosystem, folder and file structure, as well as robust iOS app. However, its weakness is it's less streamlined for outliners, and the interface can be overwhelming for others. So, which one is best? The actual answer to that is depending on your preference. So, if you want something that is not essential or fluid, you can head over and go to Logseq. Or if you want something that have a steeper learning curve and have advanced facilities, just head over to Obsidian. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.